150 to 200, 200 to 250, mute, 250 households is nothing but frequency. What is the frequency given? 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Okay, now we find the x mid value. You know how to find the mid value? How to find the mid value? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. What is the lower boundary here?
100
Plus
150
100 plus
150
150 by 2. How much?
250 by 2
250 by 2.
2
2 ones, 2 twos, 4, 10 to 5. 125. What is the second one? 150 plus
200
150 plus 200 by 2. How much?
170
350 by 2. 2 ones 2, 15, 2 7, 14, 10.
5
So 175. Next add. So what is the difference here? 50. You can add 50 to here. 175.
225
50.
225
50.
275
50.
325
So you got xi. So the next one, what you have to do, children? fi xi. So multiple this 2. 4 into 125. 4 125. 4 into 100. 400. 4 to 25. 100. So 500. 5 175. 500 is 500. 570 is 350. 500 plus 350. 850. 5 5 is 25. 875. Or 5 5 is 25. 5 2. 5 7 is 35. 36 37. 3. 5 1 is 5 3 8. 875. 12 into 225. You know how to multiple 12 into 225? Multiple. 2 5 is 10. 1. 2 2 is 4 1. 5. 2 2 is 4.
4
1 5 2 2.
0 10
4 plus 2 plus 7.
2
2700. Then 2 into 275. Simple one. 2 5 is 10.
1
2 7 is 14 1.
1
2 2 is 4 1 5. Again 2 into 325. 2 5 is 10.
2 2 4 5
2 2 is 4 1 5.
2 6
2 3 is 6. Now add sigma fi xi. So you have to add all this. Simple addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 5. Again 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17. 7 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 5
26
26. 26 plus 6 32. 2 3. 3 plus 2.
5 5
So sigma fi is 5275. And sigma fi.
10
Add this.
14
Add this. 5 plus 4 9.
plus 10 plus
9 plus 2
9 plus
11.
20 21
11.
25
11 plus 2 13. 15. 15 5 1 2 25. Now what is the mean formula?
sigma fi xi by sigma
Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. What is sigma fi xi over there? 5275 by 25. So divide is 25. 5275. Or you can cancel with 5 first of all. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. 2 down. 0. 27. 5 5 is 25. 25. 5 5 is 25. Again 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 1 1. So how much?
211
Okay children? 211. Note down children this one. Lifetime of the bulb in hours has been given and number of bulbs, lamps has been given. So lifetime in hours has been given as 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 35 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. And number of lamps is called as frequency. It's given as 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62, 48. Find the mean for this problem. That is the question given. So how to do the mean? First of all, you know class interval frequency. So class interval frequency is given now. You know how to do the sigma Fi. Sigma Fi means sum of the frequency. So we have done the sum of the frequency as 400. Keep it aside. Okay. The next one, what you have to do? Xi. What is called Xi? Mid value. How you calculate mid value? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. See children. Lower boundary 1500, upper boundary 2000. So add 1500 plus 2000. 1500 plus 2000 how much? 3500. 3500 by 2. 2 ones 1750s. See here. What is the difference here? 500. So add 500 for this. 500 for this. How much? 7 plus 5, 2250. 500 for this. 500 for this. 500 for this. 500 for this. Then, here the complicated task is multiplication. Why I have given this problem, you know my dear children. You should have a complication task. Here this much multiplication, big one. See, bigger numbers you are getting. So, there is a probability, there is a chance that there is a mistake. Okay, let's say we have seen that Lokesh guy has done mistake over here, or mistake over here. Okay, even Jagdish can't able to do the multiplication. So, every child, if such a big problems have been given, this method, whatever the method, general method, what is the formula? Sigma Fi Xi by Sigma Fi. This method is very easy. Easiest method, nothing is there to find. Simple, class interval, frequency, Xi, both multiple, khalas. Problem completed. But when you are getting the bigger numbers, the problem will become so complicated. Okay, it takes a lot of time. Nearly, see today, whole class, nearly 10 to 15 minutes. Only one problem taken whole time. Okay, so in order to do this type of problems, okay, mean this type of bigger ones, we have a deviation method. Very easy method, deviation method. Mean deviation method. It is the easiest way to handle this type of problems, bigger ones. Okay, now we are going to deviation method, so that I have given this problem. Okay, let's complete this in general method. Then we will check with the deviation method whether we will get the same answer or not. Okay, as you know, 14 into 1750, 56 into 2250, 60 into 2750, 86 into 3250, 74 into 3750, 62 into 4250, 48 into 4750. What we got total? Sigma Fi Xi. Okay, what we got total Sigma Fi Xi? 13 lakh 65,000. What Sigma Fi here? 400. 2 zeros cancel. 13650 by 4. You cancel, you got 3412.5. This is the mean. But while doing this, you have felt a lot of inconvenience in multiplication as well as in addition. Okay, so in order to avoid this, we have a deviation method. Okay, children. First of all, I will give you the deviation method formula. Note it down. Then explain each one easily. Same problem we will do. Okay. First, note down this problem. I am giving 3 minutes. Why? Because we are running time. Make it fast. Same problem. I will go on with deviation method. I will do the problem first. Then I will explain in clear to you. Okay. Here class interval is given. Same problem. Fi is given. Xi same. Mean up to here same. Later deviation method, you won't do Fi Xi. You won't do Fi Xi. Why? Because here deviation method, the formula will be changed. Here the formula for mean in deviation method is A plus small a, capital A. Anything you can write. A plus sigma Fi mu I. It's called as mu I by sigma Fi into H. Okay, mean formula in deviation method is A plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into H. Okay, what is mu I? How you will calculate mu I? Mu I is nothing but deviation from xi minus A. This A and this A are same. This A and this A are same. No need to worry. Mu I equal xi minus A. H equal to length of the class interval. Sorry. H is a lower boundary. Lower boundary. Mu I equal to xi minus A by H. Formula is mu I equal to xi minus A by H. H I will tell you. Okay. See, first of all, we have to calculate mu I. Children, here when in the general method, Fi xi direct. But we have to calculate mu I, deviation method. Xi minus okay. H is length of the class. Okay. Right. You know what is the length of the class? What is the difference here?
500.
That is H. Understood? That is H. Okay. H you got it. Right. Here mu I equal xi minus A by H. Here A, very important A. Here and here same A. A is nothing but any value in the mid value. Assumed value in the mid value. So these are the mid values now. Take any value in the mid value, assumed value. Let's suppose we'll take this as A. Any value. Not only mid, any value. Okay, I have taken mid here, mid in between here. You can take this one, nothing, any problem. Okay, now you calculate mu I. Mu I equal formula is xi minus A by H. For first one, I am rubbing the formula for you, just a minute. Mu I. First xi is how much?
1,500.
What is the A?
3250.
By H. H I already decided. Length of the class.
500.
So 3250 minus 1750. 3250 minus 1750 minus 1500 by 500. 0 cancel. 5 1 5 3 ja. How much it is?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Okay, children. Next one mu I. Second one mu I.
2250.
Again mu I formula. Xi minus A by H. Xi is how much?
2250.
2250 minus A, what is assumed?
3250.
3250
By
by 500. 2250 minus 3250. 1000. How much?
1000.
3250 minus 2250. Minus 5. Bigger number na? 500. Twos. How much?
Minus 2.
So, understood. Minus 3.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 1.
Minus 3. Minus 2. Next one.
Minus 1.
Next one you do that. Again, xi minus A by H. What is xi?
2750.
Minus A.
3250.
3250 by 500. 2750 minus 3250 minus 500 by
By 500. 1.
minus 1. So you should get a clarity. See, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next
0.
0. Next
2. 3.
you can write off. You can write off for this.
3250. Minus 3.
Third one.
3250.
3250 xi. A. 3250.
By 500.
3250 0. 0 by 500.
0.
Now try for this.
3750. Minus 3250.
3750
Minus 3250.
minus A. 3250 by 500. 3750 minus 3250.
500 by 500. 1.
You got one here. Try 4250. 4250 minus 3250. Okay? You will get 2000. Okay. So you understand how to calculate mu. Again I am explaining, children. Mu equal to, what is the formula for mean? Mean equal to A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Okay, mean equal to a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h, where a is called assumed value in the mid value. నేను ఇది తీసుకున్నా, ఫర్ సపోజ్ నువ్వు ఇది తీసుకున్నావు అనుకో, ఇది 0 అవుతుంది. 1 2 3
4 5 6.
ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ లెక్కలో ఇంక చేయాల్సిన అయితే మీరు యూ నో నీడ్ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ mu equal to x minus a by h. No need to calculate this. Simple. Wherever you have taken a, there you can keep it as 0. Up or minus, down or plus. From 0 to count like that up, count like that positive numbers. Simple mu I. So if you know the formula, that's all. So no hurries and burries. Same problem. Fa, how much multiplication you got? Here simple one. Here simple one now. Mu I you got. Or just don't by heart like this. Just check if you want any doubt. Mu I equal formula is, who is that? Who is that? Give it a minute. Right. Mu I equal formula xi minus a by h. Xi first one minus assumed mid value by h. H is nothing but length of the class. You know the length of the class here. 500. You got Fa mu I. So what is the formula?
Sigma fi mu I a plus
You want first of all Fi mu I multiple. Then only you can do the sum. First we'll do. I'll rub the formula.
1 7
Okay. Fi mu I.
1 7.
Where is Fi? Where is Fi? 14. Mu I.
3.
So when you are doing Fi xi, you have to multiply this 2. But here simple one. 14 into 3. 14 3 is 42 minus 56 into 2. 6 2 is 12, 2 1 minus 60 into 1.
0.
0 into 86. 74 1 ja. 62 2s. 48 3s. 3 4 is 12, 144. See children, now it will become easy multiplication. Now you want sigma fi mu I. Simple, you have to add. Add this. All this minus you have to add.
100.
2 to 4, 6 4 10 1, 2 1 4 minus. Add all the positive numbers. 4 4 4, 12, 7 8, 10, 14, 3. So positive numbers 342, 82, 214. 342 minus 214. Borrow 12, 8, 3, 2, 128. Sigma Fi mu I is 128. Keep it like that. You know sigma Fi 400. Now use the formula. What is the formula? A plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into h. We will do it. Just listen once again. After noting down this, we will do the problem. Children, listen. This is the class interval given. This is the frequency given. So how you will do the mean? First you have to find the mid value. Up to that there is no deviation in general method or deviation method. Both the methods are same. You got this mid value. After mid value, what you have to find? Mu I. Mu I equal formula xi minus a by h. A is any assumed value in the mid value. H means length of the class. Simple. First one. Wherever you want to take an A, there you will get 0, no doubt. Anywhere you can take A. So 0. Up is minus.
Down is plus.
Computed mu I. Then Fi mu I. Fi mu I. You got here. This all minus you have to add. This all plus you have to add. Subtract. You got this. Okay, children, note it down. I am giving 3 minutes time. Make it fast. We will denote like this: x bar. What is the formula? A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. This is the formula. Here, A already you have taken the assumed value 3250 plus sigma fi mu I. You got sigma fi mu I. How much? 128. By sigma fi, you calculated sigma fi 400 into h. Your length of the difference 1500 to 2000. Okay, class interval difference 500. Understood, children? How to substitute? X bar equal to x bar mean always denoted like this: A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. A assumed value in the mid value. Sigma fi mu I already have completed the task. Sigma fi, you know the total frequency. H length of the class. Simple. Solve this. 3250. These two zeros cancel. 4 1 ja 3 ja 12. 32 into 3250 plus 5 2 is 10 0 1 5 is 15 16.
3 4 1
Add 3 4.
1
That is the mean. Okay. Understood? Note it down. And while writing in the exam, okay, first note it down. I will tell you how to write in the exam. Class interval, frequency, xi, fi xi. This is the general method table, and mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the general method. Class interval, frequency, mid value, fi xi. How will you calculate mid value? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. fi xi. Mean formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So you have to write this like this. Mean deviation method. For this table, class interval, frequency, fi, whatever he was given, that is first one class interval, second one is fi. Same like that, xi. Up to here same. Mid value. How will you calculate mid value? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. The next one is mu I.
equal to
Mu I formula.
minus a by h.
Here you added one more, mu I. The next one is fi mu I. This is the table we have to by heart. What is the mean formula? X bar equal to A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. These are the two differences: general method, deviation method. So whenever I will ask whether you are in sleep, you have to tell, "Arey Babu, deviation method table, sir, class interval, frequency, xi, mu I equal to xi minus a by h, fi mu I. Formula is a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Arey Babu, what is the general method formula? What is the table? Class interval, frequency, mid value, fi xi. What is the formula? Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. If I ask you children any time, Lokesh, be ready tomorrow, you are the first person to answer to me. Okay? Mean deviation method. You have to explain this table like this. Sir, mean deviation method table, sir. Class interval, frequency, sir. Xi mid value, sir. Mu I, xi minus a by h, sir. fi mu I, sir. Formula, sir. A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h, sir. Now, children, what is A? Assumed value is xi. What is ఏమైందిరా నిశాల్లో పడిన లేదా క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ xi fi xi వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా మీన్ ఈక్వల్ టు సిగ్మా fi xi బై సిగ్మా fi ఈ టేబుల్ ఈ ఫార్ములా యు హావ్ టు బై హార్ట్ సిమిలర్లీ మీన్ డీవియేషన్ మెథడ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద టేబుల్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ xi mu i xi minus a by h fi mu i what is the formula a plus sigma fi mu i by sigma fi into h if you know the table table బాగా బై హార్ట్ అయిపోయిందంటే you can do the problem okay table you have to by heart first of all format so whatever the problem is given you will note down here class interval you note down the frequency you know how to calculate the mid value lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2 in this any value you can take as a yes after that here 0 wherever a is up minus
Down plus.
plus multiple formula exam when you are doing an exam see children you have to do it in 1.5 page answer okay so how to do this problem solution you will keep a solution okay mean and deviation method you will make the table it will cover half page yes or no class interval frequency mid value this one full page you will draw neatly okay with pencil and scale class interval you will note it down fi you will note it down xi and down you have to calculate xi equal to no need to do of your own పక్కన ఇలా చేసేసేయడం కాదు ఈ టేబుల్ కిందన చేయాలి xi ఈక్వల్ టు ఫస్ట్ వన్ చేస్తారు ఓకే 20 ప్లస్ 30 బై 2 50 బై 2 50 25 ఇంకోటి కామా పెట్టి ఇంకోటి చేయండి రెండు చేయండి చాలు దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ xi అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ mu i మనకు తెలుసు బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ xi మైనస్ a బై h రెండు చేస్తారు ఓకే దెన్ డౌన్ యూ రైట్ ద ఫార్ములా మీన్ ఈక్వల్ టు a plus sigma fi mu i by sigma fi into h you will write the formula after writing the formula you have to explain each term a equal to assumed value in the mid value okay అప్పుడు ఏదో వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది కదా ఈక్వల్ టు దట్ వన్ mu i equal to xi minus a by h h length of the class h equal to length of the class sigma fi sum of the frequency అని వర్డ్స్ లో రాయాలి రాసిన తర్వాత అగైన్ ఫార్ములా రాసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ ఓకే వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 4 మార్క్స్ మోడల్ పక్కా ఐదర్ మీన్ మీడియన్ మోడ్ ఈ మూడిట్లో ఒకటి ఇస్తాడు 4 మార్క్స్ ఎవడిచ్చిన పేపర్ సో చిల్డ్రన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీన్ డీవియేషన్ మెథడ్ ఫార్ములా క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ xi mu i xi minus a by h fi mu i what is the formula a plus sigma fi mu i by sigma fi into h right only this table formula 5 times and in exercise 1 complete notes కూడా నీటి రాయండి exercise 1 లో first one second one fourth one fifth one that is the homework exercise